Would you like to create something like this?
I trace the moon on my window pane, each star a secret calling my name. The night whispers, soft and slow. Paper stars, folding dreams, floating high on fragile seas. Catch the wind, don't let it go.
Why not try Sona AI? Sona AI is the best tool for AI image generation and editing. And what is more, it is totally 100% free. You can generate as many images that you want to, and you can generate that in high definition 4K. And what is more, with your image, you can generate videos like this. So here you can see this is Sona AI homepage, and you have the AI editor, AI image creator, and in this you have some more AI tool that you can use. For example, you have the generative fill, you have the remove background, you have the remove object, you have the expand photo, and you have the upscale photo. Now let's go back and see how we can generate images and create videos. So right here, let's click on the AI image creator. In here, let's type in our prompt. And here you have the option of choosing the aspect ratio, and you have the option of choosing the high def, full HD, or you can change to 4K. You have the option of upscale, but for now, let's leave it as it is, and click on generate. It only takes a few seconds to generate. From here, we can see our images are already being generated, so let's choose one of these. But if you don't like it, you can regenerate again. So we regenerate again, and and here are images. This is the first one, this is the second one here, and here's the third one. I think this one, I like this one. So what we're going to do, we're going to improve this image. So let's click here to improve the image. So our image has been improved, and this is the first one here. You can see the quality of the image has been improved. You have the second one here and this one. Now we're going to use this first one here to generate the video. So you can see this video generate icon here, create video. Click on that, and you're landing on a created video home page. So here you can see the video quality from 480 to 720, and you have the video format, whether MP4 or GIF, and you have the video length 3 seconds and 5 seconds. You can click here to upscale that, but then when you upscale your image, you're going to regenerate for video. But for now, let's leave it as it is and create our video. So let's click on generate. So you see our video is done generated, and you can see it's nicely generated. You see the fire, the simulation of the fire, and any other things you can see, they are all looks real. So that's the first video there. You can click here to save, or you can save from here. Either way is okay. And you have the second option here to choose also from. So you can choose from this or choose from this. But if you want to keep both of them, you can save both of them. And you also have the option of regenerate this again. So let's click on this to regenerate again. So you can see here already generating the same video again. So let's just save this one again, and also this other one. Okay, so that's how we can use Sona AI. Thank you again for watching, and please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I'll see you back again in another video.